This lesson is about solving quadratic equations with the square root property. Let's review the definition. The square root property simply states that you can solve an equation like x squared equals a by square rooting both sides. The square and the square root cancel, leaving you with just x equals the square root of a. Remember that the square root of a can either be positive or negative, so we normally use a plus or minus sign in front of the root. Definition: the principal square root of a number is the positive square root. Thus, every square root has both a positive and a negative square root. The positive square root is the principal root. For example, the square root of 25 is both positive 5 and negative 5. However, positive 5 is the principal root of the square root of 25. Here are some examples. 5x squared plus 3 equals 23. We want to solve for x. In this expression, x is being squared, multiplied by 5, and adding 3. So we subtract the 3, leaving us with 5x squared. Now x is being squared and multiplied by 5, so we divide by 5, leaving us with x squared. And since x is being squared, we square root both sides, canceling the root. And we end up with x equals 2 and negative 2. The principal root is 2. Check your solution. If you plug 2 into that expression, it does in fact equal 23. And if you plug negative 2 into that expression, it also equals 23. So there are in fact two solutions. Try the next example on your own, and make sure you check your own solution to make sure that it works. Here are some practice problems for you to try, and the next page has the answer key.